Welcome. In today's guide, I'll walk you through the simple steps to find your stories on the Telegram app when using it on your PC. With the latest update, Telegram has made it much easier to manage and view your stories. But if you haven't explored it yet, don't worry. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly where to look and how to get there in just a few clicks. First, start by opening the Telegram app on your computer. Once the app is open, look toward the very top of the screen. You'll notice 3 small horizontal lines in the top left corner. This is the menu button, and it's where you'll be able to access the options you need. Click on those 3 lines to open the side menu. From there, you'll see a list of different sections and settings for your account. To find your own stories, you'll need to head directly into your profile. Simply click on the option that says My Profile, and it will take you to your personal profile page. When the profile page opens, you'll notice a dedicated section for stories. This is where all the stories you've posted are collected and organized. You can view them just like you would on your phone, check who has seen them, and even manage them if you want to delete or add new ones later on. This section is very easy to navigate, and it ensures that all your stories are just a click away whenever you need them. The great thing about this new update is that you no longer have to dig around or guess where your stories might be. Everything is neatly placed within your profile, making the entire experience much smoother on desktop. Whether you use stories to share updates with friends, highlight important moments, or just have fun, now you can find and manage them on the PC app as easily as on your mobile device. So, to quickly recap, open the Telegram app, click on the 3 lines at the top corner, go to My Profile, and in the Stories section, you'll find everything you're looking for. It's that simple. And that's how you can easily find your stories on Telegram using the PC app with the latest update.